I ran into this problem about Windows cannot find blah 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 file name.exe. At first, I checked the folder, I followed the path, and I couldn't find anything. I couldn't even find the folder, and I was wondering why in the world something that is not existing would always pop out like this. So, but that usually happened whenever I boot into my desktop. All right, so I would usually I'll go online, check some things out to go good about it to see if I could find a solution. I came across some solutions that couldn't help me, but then since it usually happens whenever I boot, it was easy for me to understand that it's something that is maybe in my startup folder, where maybe among the applications that would always start up whenever I boot my system, all right, to desktop. And then I had to go to task manager here, go to startup, and then you see this file name here. That's always what is coming up. So to solve this problem, you have to see that you disable it. If you disable it, to find it's not going to happen again. But then I would want it to be permanently solved, so I check my file, open file location. You can see here that it resides in your start menu. All right, so whenever the system boots, it tends to launch this at the same time. All right, so but then let's see why it wouldn't find it. All right, see, let's edit this. When we edit it, you see it tends to look for this, and whenever let's try to open this folder to see if it exists. I'll do Windows key R. All right, then paste that. Okay, you can see I couldn't find it. All right, so that's to show you that it's not existing. So what this file is actually doing is to instruct maybe just give a command that would always run trying to open this, all right, whenever the system boots, right, and it's not finding it, and then it becomes annoying, showing up every time, and then you have to click OK to move the dialog and then all those things, which was for me a pain in the ass. So what I would usually do is just to delete this. All right, just hit the shift delete to delete permanently. But if you're not sure, maybe you want it there in case the system starts malfunctioning, just hit the delete key on your keyboard and then it wipes it off. But to me, it's nothing. You can wipe it off. It's not going to have any issues on your computer system. All right, now that it's up, you can see that when you come to startup here on your task manager, you can't find it any longer, and it's gone for good. And then when you reboot your system, it's not going to happen again. So I hope this helped someone out there. Thank you.